I'm Eric Mattei, matteirealty.ca. This is another installment of Wednesday Wisdom. Today we're looking at status certificates. And what are they? They apply to condominium purchases. If you are a buyer looking to buy a condominium, that document is imperative to review. More importantly, to have a lawyer look at. What does it disclose? Any legal action against the condominium? Any default by the owner if they haven't been paying their maintenance fees? What are the rules? Are you allowed to smoke? A lot of condos have now become amended to have no cigarettes and no marijuana, smoke, etc. in the building. Other rules could say, for instance, you can only have white window coverings for architectural uniformity. So aside from the financials, which this document also covers the reserve fund, what the contributions are going to be, so if God forbid the elevator breaks, you're not paying an extra amount of money called the special assessment out of pocket on top of the fees. All of that is in this one document that's quite extensive. It's electronic, so it's easy to transmit. But that status certificate document, if you're pursuing a condo in competition and you can't have the condition, your buyer agent can ask the listing agent, give me that document in advance, let me send it to their lawyer. Whatever your lawyer charges you is worth the money. If houses had a status certificate, it would be great because it's like a lie detector. Everything's laid out. So if you are thinking of buying a condo, review the status before you put the offer in, or have a condition to review the status at the time of the offer if you're afforded that opportunity. Status certificates, don't forget if you're a condo buyer. I'm Eric Mattei, matteirealty.ca, and this is Wednesday Wisdom.